Hey, what's going on, guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Blaster SideKick motorcycle and car dryer. The Blaster SideKick is a great tool for quickly drying your vehicle. It's perfect for getting water out of cracks, crevices, door jambs, mirrors, lights, grills, engine bays, and more without having to worry about scratching the paint. You won't have to wait for the vehicle to dry to move forward with your detail. Let's put the Blaster SideKick to the test. Here we have a vehicle that's been recently washed. It's ready to be dried and buffed out, but there's still water in the cracks along the door handles and in between the door jambs that I'd like to get out before we get started. I'll use the Blaster SideKick to remove the water in no time at all. Another great use for the Blaster SideKick is drying engine bays. Engine details can be an easy moneymaker for your business if done right, and with the Blaster SideKick, you won't have to wait for the engine to air dry before dressing it. Other areas the Blaster SideKick works great on are grills, door jambs, the areas around lights, and anywhere else that you'd like water removed. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Blaster SideKick can do a lot in a little package. For any more information on this product or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a detail king. See you guys next time.